Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to check when a reel was posted on Instagram. So suppose we are watching this reel currently. So you can see there is no uploading time or uploaded date under the channel name. So head back and go to that account that has posted the reel. Suppose I was just watching this reel. You can see the just watched tag on it, and you just have to search for the same reel on the posted section or post section. You can see this is the just seen reel I have just watched. So all I have to do is click on it, and it is currently showing me as a post. And under the post, we can see, we all know that Instagram just shares when the reel or post that is uploaded, that and its time in detail. And you can see it was uploaded 3 days ago. So yeah, that's it. With all the reels and videos, you can just avail it up. And yeah, that's it. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next one.